In this video, I am gonna teach you how to make money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Understand how affiliate marketing works. You join an affiliate program and get a unique affiliate link. You promote products or services using this link. You earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action completed via your link. 2. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific niche where you have knowledge or interest. Examples: health and fitness, technology, personal finance, beauty, or travel. Why it matters. A defined niche helps build a targeted audience that's more likely to engage and purchase. 3. Find affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs that match your niche. Types of affiliate programs: product-based, Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or eBay Partner Network. Service-based, Bluehost web hosting, SEMrush SEO tools. Digital products, ClickBank, Gumroad, or Udemy. Tips: choose programs with competitive commission. Rates 20% to 50% is ideal. Ensure the products are reputable and valuable to your audience. 4. Build a platform. Blog, write product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison articles. YouTube channel, create video tutorials, unboxings, or product demonstrations. Social media, share affiliate links in your Instagram bio, TikTok videos, or Facebook posts. Email marketing, send newsletters with affiliate recommendations. Tools to use: WordPress for blogging, Canva for creating visuals, MailChimp or ConvertKit for email marketing. 5. Create high-quality content. Produce content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Types of content: tutorials, for example, how to use product. Product reviews, for example, product name pros and cons. Comparison posts, for example, best laptops under $500. 6. Drive traffic to your content. Use these methods to attract visitors. SEO, optimize your website or videos with keywords. Social media marketing, share your content on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Paid ads, use Google Ads or Facebook ads to promote high-converting content. Email campaigns, send updates or exclusive deals to your subscribers. 7. Track performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your affiliate link performance. Check metrics like click-through rate (CTR), conversion rate, and earnings. Optimize strategies based on what works best. Tools for tracking: Google Analytics for website traffic, affiliate program dashboards for link performance. Scale your efforts. Expand your content, cover more products, or create new types of content. Join more programs. Diversify your income by joining additional affiliate networks. Build a team. Outsource content creation or marketing tasks.